Hi, I'm Carla from Flowingcreek, and today I'm going to show you how to make this layered paper thank you card. This gift box is part of a collection of projects that includes this gift card holder and this layered card. The gift box can hold 4 of these A2 size cards or a whole bunch of 4x6 photos. I like to dry fit my projects before I use any glue. This way I can be sure that I have all of the pieces and that they are oriented correctly. Now it's time to start gluing the project. I like to use this glue dispenser because it makes it easy to apply a small amount of glue where I need it. I usually use this Aleene's tacky glue in my dispenser because it dries clear and it is inexpensive. I've put some links in the description so you can find these items if you're interested, but you can use whatever glue you like. I'm going to assemble the rest of this project now. So that's it. The project is done. Thank you for watching me make this project. Leave me a comment and let me know how you liked this project and what other kinds of projects you would like to watch me make on this channel. Follow the links in the description to get the project files or supplies. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.